What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Oh yeah, hail my Jesus, now inferior now. Hail my Jesus, now inferior now. Yes, so now only Jesus feel run am because bad belles has done a whole lot. Like they don't want this marriage to happen, but God in his infinite mercy showed them that he is still God on the throne and there is nothing they can do about it because akayadiya, because God's hand is upon this marriage. Chioma is a very strong young lady, and see, while we are applauding Chioma, we also need to give her mother some accolade because that woman trained up a queen. Chioma is a queen and more, and we should always give her a flower. See, wetin Chioma don endure for this relationship between she and Davido, my people, mouth no fit talk am finish. Sometimes I go just dey pity this Chioma, say why? Why this name calling? Why did they throw this young lady like this? Just because Davido decided to get married to her. And it hurts me so much. A lot of them throwing her can't even stand to look at her face twice if they see her physically. But because they stay behind keypad, they decided to bring their bitterness on top another person wey no do them anything. See, Chioma na virtuous woman. I don't know how you guys define your own virtuous woman, but I just tell you my own. Chioma na the real definition of a virtuous woman. She stood by Davido with her full chest. No matter how they drag this dude, she is there for him. Even when they thought if they bring this come social media, if they start they talk say Davido sleep with this one, Davido no sleep with this one, Chioma go vex comot for the marriage. Baby girl stood by her husband because she knows that nobody is a saint. That is why she stood by Davido. Let's give Chioma some accolade. Like I said, as we are giving Chioma accolade, make we give the mama wey born her some accolades because she sef she deserve am. Chioma is a queen and more. Happy marriage to you guys. This marriage will last forever. This marriage una go grow old together in Jesus name. Not the way bad belle fit do. Akachukwu di na wedding na. God has sealed it already. It has finally happened. God has sealed it. Wetin bad belle think say no go happen, God don do am. Nwunye Odogwu one of Osun State. Nwunye Obio one of Osun State, Chef Chi Golibe no Chiginyeregi. Love is patient. Love is kind. It doesn't envy. It doesn't boast. It is not proud. It doesn't dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoice with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perceives. So you guys can see that Chioma truly loves Davido. It can only take somebody who loves you so much to endure all your flaws and to forgive you at every given point. The love na real love. Take it or you leave it. These two people are lovebirds, and I am happy for both of them. So my lovely people, na so e be. See you all in my next one. Bye.
Ha! Please put this. I do but big dreams.
Tuna on the mix.
Honey, I'm under no bad. If you give me more now, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay me now, I'm under no bad. If hustle pay niggas, I'm under no bad. I'm under no bad. nigga get this bag anyhow we be. Bad as it bad, we go get the money. For that kind life, me not get enemy. Now that kind bag where they give energy. How they quality, mama they. Ha. This bondage, I do but big dreams.
Tuna on the mix.
Honey, I'm